viewers, welcome to our channel Homestyle Fusion. We all are now worried about how to protect ourselves and our children from this deadly virus called coronavirus, and any virus for that matter. All you need to do is take out little time from this mechanical lifestyle to take care of your health. So let us improve our immunity levels by taking this drink every day, which is herbal tea, also called as kashayam or kadha. So let's begin how to prepare this. This tea can be prepared with the spices that are easily available in our kitchen. Let's look at the ingredients now. Dry ginger or sont. You can also use regular ginger if you don't have it. Ginger helps in improving digestion and also gas problems. Cinnamon. It is a powerful antioxidant, lowers sugar level and cholesterol. Cloves. It fights cancer, helps in good respiratory issues like bronchitis, asthma. Cardamom or ilachi. It detoxifies body. Organic jaggery powder controls body temperature. Jeera or cumin seeds. It also helps for good digestion. Black pepper. It prevents cancer, relieves cold and cough. Ajwain or carom seeds, also called as oma. It helps in digestion. Turmeric powder or haldi. You can also use turmeric sticks and grind them into powder. It's a very strong antioxidant, reduces arthritis pain, boosts your immune system. And the last one is tulasi or basil leaves. It relieves respiratory problems, cough, fever. Let us start making tea now. Take one big glass and add 1.5 glass of water, which is equal to 500 ml. Let it boil. Meanwhile, crush dry ginger. And also crush pepper seeds. Now add the spices one by one except turmeric powder and jaggery, and boil it in medium flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add turmeric and jaggery. Stir once and let it boil in low flame for 10 minutes. You can also make powder and store it. First grind turmeric sticks and dry ginger separately. Dry roast all other ingredients except tulasi and jaggery and grind them. Finally mix all the powders and store it in an airtight container. While making tea, add 1 to 2 spoons in boiling water. After 10 minutes, you can see the water level has reduced to half. You can have the tea hot or cold. Now filter this into a cup. You can have the leftover tea in the evening. Here is our healthy herbal tea. Each spice has numerous benefits and medical values. It is advised not to take any spice in larger quantity. Please be little cautious. You can also add few drops of lemon into it. So boost your immunity with this health drink. Stay safe, stay healthy.